Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a Model 3 Tesla. We're doing a full clear bra front end, window tint all the way around. Couple things we'll be working on in particular today. Got some touch up to do. Gonna be covering the headlights, full fenders, full hood, front bumper. Another touch up on this side. Somebody got aggressive with the buffer, but we're gonna touch that up for them. We went and got some paint. The guys down the street hooked us up. Alright, got our patterns cut. We're gonna go ahead and weed them out and then transfer them to the car. Alright, we got the Tesla all finished up. Full clear bra, full window tint all the way around, Expel product on it. Full hood, full fenders. And that is going to be it for our Tesla Model 3 clear bra window tint job. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a good one.